The history of herbs. Berberine. Berberine is a bioactive compound that can be extracted from several plants, including a group of shrubs in the genus Berberis. The dried fruit of Berberis has a long history in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, where it has been used to treat various ailments. The berberine alkaloid can be found in the stem, bark, roots, and rhizomes of the plants. It has a deep yellow color and has been used as a natural dye. In traditional Chinese medicine, these herbs have been used to naturally treat diabetes for centuries. This compound also has a long history for use in managing bacterial gastroenteritis, diarrhea, and other digestive diseases. In one study, berberine was found to help lower blood glucose. This can help with type 2 diabetes, including diabetic cardiovascular disease and diabetic neuropathy. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs, brought to you by Dherbs.com.